Here are the nominees.
Universal all.
Brick looting. Kids Baking Club. Lewis and Leia.
Yay! Way to go, Eric and Christine.
Annie's Young Woodworkers.
Okay, those were really good. How are we supposed to decide? Well, lucky for us, we got an envelope. Yeah. Drum roll, please. The winner of the best kids subscription box is Kids Baking Club.
So on March 13th, 2020, my beautiful preschool that I own, Red Start for Kids, was shut down due to COVID. After my panic attack, I called my dad, and he said, "Subta," which is what we know in our family, which means life is full of opportunities to begin again. And he said, "Onward, Jill." And with my large YouTube channel and teaching kids how to bake and decorate, am I shaking? Yes. Started Kids Baking Club, and it's just been a whirlwind. Subta, a lot of these people in this room have been my backbone, so I thank you. Last Thursday at 9 p.m., I said goodbye to my dad. He waited for me to get there, lifted up his eyebrows, held my hand, and took his last breath. So I give this honor to my dad, Michael Williams.
I'm not crying, you're crying?